All right, guys, 16S Losi 5B. Got the crazy big block Castle 2535 520 kV. Got the crazy big huge Mad 21 16S ESC. Got the KiloWattRC Overkill packs 2 6S 1 4S for 16S. And then we got a big old KiloWattRC 31T mod 1.5 ping with this 58 spur. So this should do maybe mid 80s. We will see. I don't know what the grass is like. I know so far the grass is wet, but I don't know like the height or whatever. Lipos are not prepped. They are cold lipos. I charged them last night and they sat all night. If you guys have any issues with your GPS lagging, comment in the video below. All right, here we go. We finally got a satellite. All right, so we're gonna hit start, stop, track, start. Yeah, we'll just get a rough speed. It is wet, so might lose some traction. This is not a big field, guys, but I have hit 94 in this field. Not an easy task. This is not a big, long field. I got a longer field, but the grass there is rough. Real rough grass there. So what I try to do is I try to use some of the field that's not part of it, just to get a little bit more runway, just to help out. But yeah, this is not a big field, guys. Trust me. Wait till we get out to the big field. Oh my God, it's wet. This grass is too thick, man. Why don't you just use what we got? Just start from here. Oh my God, too wet. Ooh, she was kicking a little bit. Yeah, she's too wet, man, real slippery. All she's doing is just sliding. See what speed that was. You see the front of this thing? Look at that. Come on, man. That's ridiculous, dude. Look at the front. Man, I can't get a break, can I? Stop, read, 77. Maybe up the punch a little bit, but I mean, I might be able to get a little bit better here, but this thing is sliding everywhere. The acceleration is on level 1. Let's put on level 3. Save. All right, let's reboot. All right, so we rebooted. Start. Stop, read, 4 mile an hour. Start. Yeah, it's real. I didn't realize how thick that grass was down there. I went all the way down there and she just slid around.
So what we'll do is we'll go right here, we'll stop right here at the end and just look at all this crap. Wonder what speed that is. Stop, read, 74. Oh shoot, the motor got loose. Oh shoot, this big motor got loose somehow. Jesus Christ. All right, we'll be back, guys, all right? Yeah, we'll tighten that up and we'll be right back. Track, start, stop, read, one more arm, track, start. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Having technical difficulties earlier. Let's see how it is today. Very wet out. This isn't the most ideal grass to run in. It's really slippery. Look at it. Car slipping everywhere. No traction. So, it's not gonna be a pretty run. I can assure you that. Yeah, she's slippery out here, man. This grass is too thick and wet. Maybe you can warm her up some, but she's definitely too wet. Look at all that stuff just flying up. She's dirty. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is a dirty, oh my God. She got real dirty. Yeah, not the best idea, run conditions at all. Stop, read, 75. Let's go try it again. Come on. Yeah, she's all over the road. We'll try it again. She's slippery. She's all over the place. Need to come back out when the grass dries. All right, let's go. See how fast that was. Wow. Look at this thing. This is pretty wild looking. Stop, read, 79.
Should stop because we got a lot of restriction on the axles, so it should probably stop for a second.
We can even check data logs too.
Yeah, because
There's a lot of restriction all over the thing. If you look, she's just covered. And to do 79 in that is unheard of. Let's check out the ESC download. Yeah, it's pretty wild that
almost hit 80 in these conditions. That is pretty wild. I mean, look at that. Just look at that. Casimore's a little warm. I can understand. Look, I mean, look what it's going through. I mean, just look at this stuff. I might get bit by something digging all this stuff out. Yeah, this is pretty wicked. I think we could probably get 80 in these conditions, but we need to come back because this is just real nasty stuff. This is too nasty. This is not good.
I mean, even the axles are all...
Look at all this
I just see we got a lot off. Data logs, let's see what we got. Data logs. First pass, around 371 amps at 56 volts. Second pass was a little higher at the end. 439 amps at 55 volts. Motor was at 39 Celsius at the time. ECU was at 58 Celsius. 27,000 RPMs. 4 RPM. So we got more oomph in this setup. The 79 miles an hour in this crazy stuff. We'll be back. Yeah, we lost a drive pin, so it's really nothing we can do. Y'all saw the data log. 79 miles an hour, and this is pretty dope. But we'll be back with this, man. This is rough conditions out here. This is real rough. All right, guys, I really appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm sorry I didn't get to do nothing crazy today, but it is what it is. Y'all take it easy. And all right, guys, peace out.